Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, it's Rutaba. Welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw rainbow cake. So let's get begin. Firstly, I'm going to draw the cake.
The King of Spain's daughter came to
Then I draw the candle. Now friends, let's come and color the rainbow cake together.
a tree.
Are you guys coloring the rainbow cake with me?
Her dress was made of crimson, jet black was her hair. She asked me for my nutmeg and my golden pear.
Now I'm coloring the delicious rainbow frosting.
I
Wow, the cakes look so colorful.
never did I see
I colored the candle with red.
you all the fruit from my little nut
Awesome!
tree.
If you like the video, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.